7 secret car tricks. Only experienced drivers know most drivers think they know how to handle their cars. But the truth is, there are hidden tricks that only experienced drivers use. Tricks that make driving easier, safer, and can even save you thousands of dollars in the long run. And today, I'm revealing 7 secret car tricks that no driving school will ever teach you. These are the kinds of tips pros pass along only to each other. Before we dive in, do me one favor. Hit that subscribe button to Car Care Xpert and tap the bell icon. That way you'll never miss out on powerful car hacks that could save your wallet and maybe even your life. Now let's start with secret number 1. And I guarantee most drivers have no idea this exists. Number 1, the reverse and brake trick to avoid brake glazing. One secret experienced drivers know is how to prevent brake glazing. When brakes overheat, the pads harden and lose stopping power. The trick? If your brakes feel weak after lots of highway driving, drive in reverse at a slow, safe pace and gently press the brake pedal a few times. This trick rebalances pad material on the rotors and restores bite. It's not a replacement for maintenance, but it can temporarily restore performance until service. Professionals use this in motorsports to refresh brakes during events. Most everyday drivers don't know this, but it's a lifesaver when you suddenly notice longer stopping distances. And speaking of saving your brakes, the next secret will protect another expensive system most drivers kill without even realizing it. Number 2, use neutral at red lights to save your transmission. Experienced drivers know that keeping your car in drive while holding the brake at long lights puts unnecessary strain on your automatic transmission. Heat builds up, and over years, this habit can shorten transmission life. The secret? When you're stuck at a red light or in traffic for more than 60 seconds, shift to neutral. This relieves pressure from the torquey converter, keeps fluid cooler, and reduces internal wear. It's a small move, but one that adds thousands of miles to your transmission's lifespan. Dealerships won't tell you this, because transmission repairs keep them in business. But if you think that's clever, wait until you hear about the hidden climate control trick that keeps your AC ice cold without overworking it. Number 3, the cabin recirculation hack for maximum cooling. Every experienced driver knows the AC button isn't the only key to staying cool. The real trick? Use the recirculation mode when it's extremely hot. Instead of constantly pulling in hot outside air, recirculation reuses the already cooled cabin air, helping your AC work less and blow colder air faster. But here's the pro move. Don't keep it on 100% of the time. Switch it off every 10 to 15 minutes to avoid foggy windows and stale air. This balance keeps your car comfortable, protects your AC compressor, and even saves fuel since the AC won't have to strain as hard. Most drivers blast AC blindly, but experienced drivers know this small trick keeps the system working like new for years. Now, if staying cool is important, wait until you discover the mirror trick that can save your life on the highway. Number 4, adjusting side mirrors the pro way to eliminate blind spots. Blind spots cause thousands of crashes every year, but there's a secret trick to eliminating them completely. Most drivers angle their side mirrors to see part of their own car. That's wrong. The pro trick? Angle your mirrors outward so they barely overlap with your rear view mirror's field of vision. This way, as a car leaves your rear view, it immediately appears in your side mirror, and you'll never have a blind spot again. It takes some getting used to, but once you master it, lane changes become effortless and far safer. This trick is especially valuable for seniors and new drivers who struggle with head checks. But even if you can see clearly, there's another hidden pro trick that ensures you never drain your battery when your car is parked. Number 5, unplugging devices to save battery. Health-experienced drivers know that phone chargers, dash cams, and plug-in gadgets slowly drain your battery even when the car is off. The trick? Always unplug these accessories before shutting down the car. Some vehicles supply constant power through the 12-volt socket, meaning your battery can drain overnight. Professionals know a weak battery isn't just inconvenient. It strains the alternator, shortens its lifespan, and could leave you stranded. If you want extra protection, invest in a smart battery maintainer, something pros use when parking for extended periods. This simple habit alone can add years to your battery's life. And speaking of long life, the next trick is about tires, and it's one experienced drivers swear by to save hundreds of dollars. Number 6, the tire rotation and pressure. Double-trick tires are one of the most expensive consumables on your car, but experienced drivers make them last much longer. The secret is twofold. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles and check air pressure monthly. Rotation ensures all tires wear evenly, especially on front-wheel drive cars where front tires take most of the beating. Correct tire pressure reduces rolling resistance, improves gas mileage, and prevents premature sidewall cracking. The trick most pros use? Keep a quality digital gauge in your glove box and adjust pressure when the tires are cold, not after driving. Over time, this trick alone can save you hundreds, even thousands, by delaying new tire purchases. But while tires connect you to the road, the final secret makes sure your car runs smoother than ever. Number 7, the gentle warm-up trick for maximum engine life. One of the most powerful secrets experienced drivers know is that how you start your engine determines its long-term health. Instead of revving up and driving off immediately, pros let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds, allowing oil to fully circulate. But here's the trick most don't know. Don't just sit and idle for long periods. That can actually cause carbon buildup. Instead, drive gently for the first 5 to 10 minutes, keeping RPMs low. This warms up all components, engine, transmission, and differential, evenly. Experienced drivers who do this regularly often see their engines last hundreds of thousands of miles without major repairs. And with that, you now know the secrets experienced drivers never reveal to beginners. So there you have it. 7 secret car tricks only experienced drivers know. These aren't gimmicks. They're proven habits that extend the life of your car, save you money, and make driving safer. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these tricks did you already know, and which one blew your mind today? Drop a comment below. I read every one of them. And if you want more pro-level car hacks, make sure to subscribe to Car Care Xpert, hit the like button, and share this video with a friend who thinks they know it all. Until next time, drive safe, drive smart, and keep your car running like new.